Me horu hop abama baga siguyaleta kela pokola. A million thanks to Glen Ellen Bible Church that we own. But even though we have the fair service, our partnership is not in here. We still need your help. We know Pastor Joe, he already guide us with the lawyers things, the paperwork, 51c3, so that we know nothing about that. So we will be keeping in touch with that. And a small gift that we give you, it has a meaning that we call back. So it means that it represents our gift, that you've been carrying our load, our burden over the 8 years here, that we never get a complaint for Glen Ellen Bible Church. Even though we use the facility as we need, as we want, over the time, we never can complain. So on behalf of the Zion Christian Church, let me say thank you very much and God bless you. We also have we call that food, just a small meal. So we would like to invite everyone to join me with us. We can chat, and then we will celebrate after that. So let me pray for the food, for closing prayer. Bagalula give down, Batu Palaki. Besibiwana, Lenamawa Baladari, Hunilo, Labada. Sagi sawalot ko tala dahanya I bodo taki busik odo noko tao labda opo kita ketolo kodo bal labda rilo mulot ko tala noko tao tao dir bai kekera da wen ta tagi tamba lo papaso ila sada boya tulo la poposo liso laso pepo mu di sekdo begitu mi pom pokwa dir pala yujo pakai malak bona labda kutasa Lebih bala petado, lanya tolong dalam masa pagi pagi dikit. So kita tahu popo jauh bahamu, lahir sulak kopi ko di kono ada. Bahagian popo betalo betamu ni salah tu otak di sedara namanya lah. Misal so kita tegak dengan susu, hebala datuk taku, hebala dagi dapat so jangan itu bagaimana kita hoko semua terpakai masa kita. Palagi kripo di pelepas terpakai dalam subuh. So ke banu yang ada dunia, kena hulu bapa berapa salam masa bagi panik. Cara saya syukur sibulah berkena lah. Paula muka. Amin.